connect the power first. Second, connect the shielding gas. Third, connect the ground wire. And connect the signal line of the wire feeder. Let's turn on the switch. Can see the fan is spinning and start working. Release the emergency stop button. This is the security protocol for booting.
Enter the operation interface. This is the safety clip signal line. Insert it. Clamp the safety clip to the gun head or the soldered board when welding. The right side of the interface does not need to be modified. This is the key to turn on the laser. You only need to turn it on when you need it. Be careful when you turn it on and it will emit light at this moment. No light if turned off.